Hi Learning Care, you should have received an email about having to change your pads, and I am going to show you how to change your pads today. When you receive your package, you're going to receive a package that says open and install immediately. Please do so as it's timely so that you are constantly rescue ready. In the package, you will find instructions on how to install. Depending on your needs, you will receive an adult pad. An adult pad will have a cut corner. These get stored into the unit. You will also receive PD pads that have a sticker of a boy and a girl and a little boy on the actual pad. These do not get stored in the unit. They get stored in the back carrying case. To change your pads, you're going to take your AED off the wall sleeve and out of the carrying case. You're going to open the lid and remove the plug. Your AED may talk to you. It is okay. It is only going to talk. It is not going to do anything to harm you. You're going to take the plug and put it in the new pad and plug it in. You're going to see a date. You're going to want this date to come through the screen. Please tuck the wire in and close the lid. You should be able to see the new date through the window. Please ignore this as I remove the battery so that it doesn't talk for the demonstration. To replace your PD pad, you're going to take your carrying case and unzipper the back. It's an expired pad. Please discard, and you're going to put in the new pad. Any expired pads, please throw in the garbage. Thank you for installing your pads. Once you install them correctly, you should have a green rescue ready light. If it is not green after you installed, please check to make sure PD pads are stored in the back and the adult pads are stored in the unit. Once you have completed installation, please take your directions and scan the below QR code so that we are notified that you are green and rescue ready. Thank you for helping your schools stay heart safe and working with Team Life. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please give us a call at 732-946-4243 or email support@Team Life. Thank you.